Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best oil filters in 2024. In this video, we'll delve into the features, benefits, and performance of the top contenders in the market. But here's the catch: one of these filters has a unique feature that sets it apart from the rest. Can you guess which one it is? Stay tuned till the end to find out. This could be a game changer for your vehicle's performance and longevity. Let's get started. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The KN Premium Oil Filter. This isn't just any oil filter, it's designed to give your engine the best performance possible. So, let's get started. This means a consistent flow of oil to your engine, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. A steady flow of oil is crucial for the health of your engine, and this filter ensures just that. It's designed to operate with all synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils. This means no matter what type of oil you use, this filter has got you covered. Its versatility makes it a great choice for all types of vehicles and engines. Its pleated synthetic blend filtration media removes most harmful contaminants, keeping your engine clean and running at its best. This is crucial for prolonging the life of your engine and maintaining its performance. This oil filter is extensively tested in the lab to ensure excellent capacity and burst strength. You can trust that it's built to last and will stand up to the demands of your engine. It's not just about performance, but also about reliability and durability. One of the best features of the KN Premium Oil Filter is that it's easy to remove. It has a fast and easy wrench-off removal, making oil changes a breeze. This is a great feature that saves you time and effort during maintenance. In conclusion, the KN Premium Oil Filter is a high-quality, reliable choice for your vehicle. With its high flow rates, versatile compatibility, engine protection, extensive testing, and easy removal, it's clear why this oil filter is a favorite among drivers. It's not just an oil filter, it's a tool that enhances the performance and longevity of your engine. Number 4. The Fram Ultra Synthetic Automotive Replacement Oil Filter. This isn't just any oil filter, it's a game changer in engine protection and longevity. Let's get started. This filter comes with a SureGrip non-slip surface, making it a breeze to install. No more slippery mess-ups, just screw the new filter on until the gasket reaches base contact and tighten. Perfect for DIYers. Compared to standard oil filters, this one provides 99% filtration efficiency. Its pleated media entraps all kinds of dirt and exhaust for a cleaner output. That's some serious filtration power. The filter features a slick silicone anti-drainback valve, delivering superior startup engine protection with up to 3x the hot oil resistance. Keep your engine clean without the dangerous mess. This filter combats high heat pressure for longer shelf life with an advanced high nitrile gasket. Talk about extended durability and quality. Reliable for high mileage. This filter offers proven protection up to 20,000 miles. It delivers reliable performance for those who live on the road. In conclusion, the Fram Ultra Synthetic Automotive Replacement Oil Filter is a top-notch choice for maintaining your vehicle. With its easy installation, durable dual-layer, superior engine protection, high temp resistance, and 20,000-mile capability, it's a real game-changer. Number 3. The Mobil 1M1-108A Extended Performance Oil Filter. This filter promises to elevate your engine's performance to new heights. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. These are not just ordinary fibers. They are specially designed to promote clean oil circulation, which is the lifeblood of your engine. Clean oil means less wear and tear, leading to a longer engine life and consistent performance. It's like giving your engine a regular health checkup. Moving on, the Mobil 1M1-108A has an edge over conventional filters when it comes to removing contaminants. It's like a security guard for your engine, keeping out the unwanted particles that can cause damage. This means a cleaner engine and smoother rides for you. Another impressive feature of this filter is its ability to reduce resistance to oil flow while improving filter efficiency. This is crucial because your engine needs a steady supply of oil to function properly. With this filter, your engine gets the oil it needs, exactly when it needs it, without any delay. That's resilience and durability packed into one small package. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your engine that can withstand extreme conditions. So, there you have it, folks. The Mobil 1M1-108A Extended Performance Oil Filter is not just a mouthful to say, but it's a game changer for your engine. With its synthetic fibers, superior contaminant removal, efficient oil flow, and impressive pressure withstanding, it's clear that this filter is a cut above the rest. It's an investment in your vehicle that will pay off in the long run. Number 2. The ACDelco PF63 Professional Engine Oil Filter. This isn't just any oil filter, it's a game changer. Let's find out why. The ACDelco PF63 is 20 to 25% smaller in size than your average oil filter. But don't let its size fool you. Despite its compact design, it boasts more filtration media for greater capacity. It's like fitting a gallon into a pint pot. The ACDelco PF63 stands out with its 10 times more open area in the core. This translates to improved flow, ensuring your engine gets the clean oil it needs, exactly when it needs it. It's all about efficiency, and this filter delivers. For those of you who are environmentally conscious, you'll appreciate that the ACDelco PF63's steel shell, threaded plate assembly, and leaf spring can all be recycled. It's not just about performance, it's about respecting our planet too. Here's something you might not expect: the non-metallic cartridge can be crushed to remove oil and then used as an energy source. It's a testament to ACDelco's commitment to innovation and sustainability. So, what's the takeaway? The ACDelco PF63 isn't just an oil filter. It's a compact, efficient, and environmentally friendly solution that goes above and beyond to meet your engine's needs. Conclusion: that brings us to the end of our in-depth review of the ACDelco PF63 Professional Engine Oil Filter. Remember, a good oil filter can make a world of difference to your engine's performance and lifespan. So, consider your choices carefully. Number 1. The Purolator PL14612 Purolator 1 Advanced Engine Protection Spin-on Oil Filter. So, buckle up as we delve into the details. Firstly, this oil filter is not just any ordinary filter. It provides advanced engine protection for up to 15,000 miles. Imagine driving from New York to Los Angeles 5 times without changing your oil filter. This feature ensures your engine stays clean and runs smoothly for longer periods, reducing the frequency of maintenance. This is like having a microscopic cleaning crew inside your engine, working tirelessly to filter out harmful contaminants. It's this feature that keeps your engine in top shape, enhancing its performance and longevity. This little component plays a big role in protecting against dry starts and oil leaks. It's like a security guard for your engine, ensuring a smooth and worry-free start every time you turn the ignition. The PTFE-treated heat-resistant gasket remains flexible for advanced leak protection. This means even under high temperatures, this gasket won't harden or crack. It's like having a firefighter inside your engine, preventing leaks and potential damage. The metal end caps and center tube provide stability and integrity for greater wear resistance. This structural strength ensures the filter lasts longer and performs consistently, even under tough driving conditions. In conclusion, the Purolator PL14612 Purolator 1 Advanced Engine Protection Spin-on Oil Filter is a fantastic choice for those seeking superior engine protection and performance. It's not just an oil filter, it's a shield for your engine. So that wraps up our list of the best air compressors in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our The Review Anatomy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.